Today, I'll walk you through how to create note aliases in Obsidian so you can link to and find your notes no matter what name you happen to remember. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want to work. Then, open an existing note that you'd like to give an alias to. Take a moment to review its current title, and then think of another name someone might use for that note. This could be an abbreviation, an acronym, a common synonym, or even a nickname. The beauty of aliases is that they let you refer to the same note in multiple ways without duplicating content. Now let's add that alias. At the top of the note, look for the Properties section. If it's hidden, open the Note menu and choose to show Properties. Click Add Property, then search for or select Aliases from the list. Once the Aliases field appears, type in your first alternate name and press Enter to save it. You can add more than one alias by clicking back into the field and entering additional names. For example, if your note is titled Project Alpha, you might add aliases like P or Alpha Initiative. After you've entered your aliases, take a second to review the list in the Properties section and check for any spelling errors. If you're curious how Obsidian stores this information, switch to source mode and you'll see the aliases listed in the note's frontmatter in YAML format. That's just the behind-the-scenes way Obsidian tracks them. When you're done, click outside the Properties area and Obsidian automatically saves your changes, no manual save needed. Now let's put those aliases to work. Open a different note, type double square brackets, and start typing one of the aliases you just created. Obsidian will suggest your note from the list. Select it, and you'll see the alias links directly to the right note. You can also test this by using the search feature. Type your alias into the search bar, and your note should appear in the results. This confirms that Obsidian recognizes the alias correctly. For more practical use, create aliases for long note titles you frequently abbreviate, like turning Quarterly Financial Review into just QFR. Add common industry terms or synonyms to make your notes more discoverable. For notes about people, include their full name, nickname, and even username so you can find them quickly later. Periodically review your aliases and remove any that are outdated or no longer useful. Then test links throughout your vault using different aliases to confirm they all resolve to the same note. And that's it. You've now set up note aliases in Obsidian, giving yourself a much more flexible and searchable knowledge base. By using aliases, you make your notes easier to find and link to, no matter which term you remember. Thanks for watching, and happy note-making.